What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. It's good to have you all here, and welcome back to yet another analysis on Quant, or the QNT crypto coin, token, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so we're covering Quant again. If you know me, if you know this channel, you know that I am a holder of Quant. I have been holding it for some time. Not from the all-time high, but from a price level higher than this, which you probably would have guessed, and I think you all have bought higher as well. Maybe you're DCAing back into Quant right now, which would be a great thing. It would be a very smart move, I think. But yeah, I like to cover Quant once in a while, and it's bullish today. It's up 17%. Volume is up 100%. It's not that much. It's still at around 7% of the market cap, which compared to other cryptos is not that much. Definitely after such a gain in volume. Still, I think it's a great project. I think it has a great future, so nothing too much to worry about, I'd say. If we take a look at the analysis, first of all, I want to point out Quant has been very strong compared to other cryptos, and there's still some price action that has to load. Most cryptos are actually still down or around the levels of the bottom, the 12th of May. The 12th of May, we had that drop. And then around the 12th of June, with those new interest rate decision, those interest rate numbers, we actually dropped down more. And most cryptos are still at around that level, or lower than the 12th of May. Most cryptos are actually lower than the 12th of May. But if you take a look at Quant, it's right now we've actually broken above the resistance level we had in May, and we're actually way higher than that bottom we had the 12th of May. We can check that out real quick. I mean, we're 50% higher. So obviously that's great. Quant is very strong right now compared with the last 2 months. But, and I think you can all agree with me on that, we also have to realize that Quant before that dropped down quite a bit, right? I mean, we haven't had very high levels with Quant for a long time, as you can see. So that is something you have to realize, but on the short term, semi short term at least, we have been relatively bullish. And if we take a look at the really short term, you can also see that some interesting things are going on, because we've hit this resistance level at $75 together with that 1.618 and at 0.5 fib. So altogether, that's a very strong resistance level. You can also see that we rejected off of that 3 times already, 4 times arguably. So that's a strong resistance, but what you can then see is that we also have this support here at around $70. You can also see that right here, $70 and $71. And that's not that strong of a support. But then again, the market right now is relatively bullish. There's at least some bullish momentum throughout the big cryptos. So support levels altogether are stronger. So what the situation right now is that we're stuck between $75 and $71. And basically what's going to happen is we're either going to get a break off of above $76, reach $80, and afterwards probably trend up all the way to $84. I think if that happens, if we break above $75, or what's going to happen, and I actually think that has a higher probability of happening, or we'll break down below $70, which would probably make us drop down to $70 or $67, take a break retest, and drop down towards $64. And I think $64 is going to hold, and I actually think we got a good chance at finding enough support at $64 to actually try to break $75 again, to be honest. But still, when we're dropping down and when we're at these levels a little bit lower than where we are right now, and the market can turn south basically every moment, not literally, but still it can. And when we're down here, I mean, if the market drops, so if Bitcoin drops down to 19,000, then I don't think we'll do something like this. That will probably drop down all the way towards $53 as well. So it really depends on the market. At this point of time, I think something like this is more likely, but that's just because I think that $75 level, I mean, that's a very strong resistance level. So that's the main reasoning behind why I think something like this, and then either this or this is more likely than breaking above $75. But then again, and just to be just to take a look at it from the other side as well, Bitcoin is really trying to break above 22,000. And when we break above 22,500 with Bitcoin, we're probably going to have a bullish breakout, and then Quant is probably going to break out too. it's just also what you believe and what you think is more likely to happen with the crypto market within the next few days, and about the strength of Quant. But this was my analysis. So if you do have any questions about the analysis or about anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. For now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in the next videos. Bye.